Hey guys, so let me show you guys how I prepare this steamed vegetable. This steamed vegetable is so versatile that you can use it in any dish that you wish to. Yeah, so I'm using green vegetable. We call it green here in Nigeria. I don't know if it has another name, but yeah, we call it green. So I've gone ahead and washed the green. I used my liquid wash. I used this liquid to wash all my vegetables. So I'm going to wash it 3 times. Yeah. Also, I'll be using carrots and onions. So here I'm draining the water out in my vegetable spinner. Then I will proceed to cut all the vegetables. So you guys, steamed vegetable is something you cook under 2 minutes. So by the time you are done, the vegetables will still look so nice, you still retain the bright color of the vegetables, and also you will not lose all the nutrients that came with the vegetable. So before you start cooking, make sure you get everything ready, cut all the vegetables and assemble all the ingredients that you use for the steamed vegetable before you start. So I'm starting by adding the carrot and the onions and a little water. I'm adding water because I wanted to cook the carrot a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, because I don't want the carrot to be too strong. So after that, you cook it a little bit and you just add the green, add pepper, add your salt, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of seasoning cube, just a little. Then you stir it and allow it to cook down a little bit. Then you now add your crayfish. Yeah, I know some people don't like crayfish, but for crayfish lovers, add this crayfish to your steamed vegetable and you thank me later. But this is totally optional. If you don't like crayfish, you skip this part. But as for me, I like to add a little bit of crayfish to my steamed vegetable and just turn everything, and voila, your steamed vegetable is ready. Then you guys, you can serve this with your cooked beans and stew and plantain, your jollof rice, your white rice, your porridge. That's why I said it's versatile. And you guys, look at that. Yeah, so that is how I steam my vegetables.